Hi my friends, welcome to my channel English with Cici. Today's lesson is about verbs. Read. I read a book. Write. I write a letter. Listen. I listen to music. Speak. They speak with each other. Walk. I walk alone. Run. I run to arrive on time. Jump. I can jump really high. Eat. I eat sandwich. Drink. I drink soda. Play. I play with my friends. Study. I study English. Sleep. I sleep early. Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. Cry. I cry all the time. Laugh. Don't laugh at me. Stand up. I stand up to leave the place. Sit down. I sit down to relax. Fight. They are fighting.
Sing. He sings a song.
Dance. They are dancing. Wash. I wash my hands. Drive. I drive a car. Hug. I hug my sister. Look. I look at the sky. Cook. I cook dinner. So here we have a quiz for you. You're gonna choose the right answer. Let's go! Now look at the picture and choose the right answer. Listen, read, or speak.
How about this boy? He reads, sings, or writes?
Here he eats, drinks, or plays. How about this girl? She sleeps, reads, or cooks. This girl laughs, speaks, or cries. And here they play, speak, or drink. Here, is it hug, drive, or look? This girl cooks, looks, or reads. This boy walks, runs, or jumps. How about this man? He washes, cooks, or sings. So if you like the video, do like it, subscribe and share it with your friends. Ciao ciao!